Hi, I'm Joel Pizzini. I'm the winemaker for our family business, Pizzini Wines. And today we are talking about the cycle of growing wine grapes through the pruning process, growing cycle, the ripening of grapes, the picking of the grapes here at Pizzini Wines. So here we're celebrating spring. It's one of my most favourite seasons of the year. It's the start of the growth pattern of the vineyard. We've finished pruning and the shoots are just starting to bud and swell. We've got shoots that are 6 inches long. Some of them are just starting to swell and bud and burst. During spring, when we're doing our green shoot removal, green pruning, to help reduce the yield, we're not only removing the crop, but we're also thinning out the canopy. And why that's important is it helps to foster filtered light through the canopy when the canopy has really grown and it's at the top of the posts. So then we can have nice light that comes through the vineyard, and there's enough leaf covering the bunches of grapes so they don't get sunburnt. Filtered sunlight is quite an important aspect of our canopy management. We can start to see the new bunch, the little baby bunch. As you can see, they're really exposed. So we really have to work hard at protecting them. Sulphur works on mites and fungal diseases, and so too does the copper. They're quite sticky elements, so when we spray them on the vine, they form a protective coating on the leaf, especially whilst they're so fresh and really soft, and they can damage really easily. During this stage, we will also remove the double shoots. So we can see here how there is 2 shoots growing from one bud, and we will remove 1 shoot. Therefore, the vine is not overloaded with bunches of grapes. So our yields aren't too high, so we can foster a large amount of flavour. So this is a particularly special vineyard. These rows are about 500 metres long. And within this particular vineyard, we select 4 different styles of wines. It crosses a number of different soil types, which creates the difference in the styles of wine that we're able to produce. So what we have here is a vine, a Sangiovese vine. It's got 3 canes on them, and one is what we call a kicket cane. And it's a tool that we use to help reduce the vigour and the growth on these canes so the vine can focus in on putting lots of flavour in the bunches of grapes that are left. So we will let this grow until the shoots are, more or less like this, and then we'll come through and we will remove this cane. And that's another reason why we're using an undervine lawnmower to keep our grass low under the vine, but to keep the grass there so it competes for all of the moisture during this time of the year, during spring, because we get that little extra rain level.